Good afternoon. Good evening, YouTube. Got the mask inside the truck, but I got a good northerly wind blowing, which is pretty good. Um, Nothing to report here at the ranch. Everything seems pretty smooth. We had some rain showers earlier, but everything's been pretty fine here at the ranch. The crops are growing. We're picking up the onions. As you can see, this field is almost done. We got it pretty much almost 3/4 of this field covered, getting ready to get it picked up, almost all of it. Yeah, we're like maybe 3/4 of it already, so we're pretty much. Um, the sun's going down already, so I'm gonna lose some light. Oh, I did some aerial shots of the surrounding areas, and it looks okay. As far as the Okay. As far as the pandemic that's going on, there hasn't been any reports of a death toll going up in my area, but there has been a rapid change and more people getting contaminated with that virus. As I had said on my previous videos, you all need to stay home and be just patient and keep yourself patient. Under the new guidelines, now it's no longer 6 feet. Now they want to recommend up to maybe 13 to 15 to 20 feet distance. It's a different change. It's a different way. We weren't used to this type of living, but you know it happened, and when it happens, we have to just live with it, and you know. Anyways, I would like to thank everybody who's looking at this video. If you all were taking my advice and taking heed and making sure you all follow you all's local, state, and maybe federal guidelines wherever you're at around the world. This is not just for the United States. This would be for all countries all over the world. This is affecting everybody with the exception of, this is where I kind of figure that there's something weird going on, because North Korea doesn't seem to be affected at all. Could it be because they're allies with China? Nobody can make sure about that, and I hate playing politics, but for some reason or another, things like these happen, and they must happen for a reason. I hope it wasn't an evil reason, but y'all make sure that y'all protect yourselves, keep y'all safe, and best of all, let's get over this year, and hopefully this year will not be as bad as it was, even though we have lost a lot of people this year. People that we don't even know, but it comes out in the news. I, for one, lost 2 friends, one here in Travis County and one in the Philippines. We told them, and I told them, cover yourself, keep yourself at home. You're not an essential employee. You shouldn't be on the road. People who are not essential, people that are required for the everyday basic needs to so that the area can operate, do not need to be outside. There's been a lot of people that have gotten tickets, $1,000 tickets locally here, because they were not essential personnel. They were not responders, they were not firemen, they were not government personnel, they were not farmers. Heed to the warnings of the state and local authorities, and federal government is out to try to take care of us. As hard as it would probably, I would probably believe a lot of people don't think like that, but it's true. They are trying to help, at least under the Trump administration, as far as I know. At this particular point right here, we're actually growing watermelons in this area right here. A very, very nice field. We're taking real good care of it. You should be able to turn around right here and see another shot of the Lake Austin. As we turn around right here, we should be looking down, and get an aerial shot of my farm truck in this particular area. Anyways, since today is Easter, I want to wish everybody a happy Easter, a safe Easter. Hopefully you all are maintaining a distance away from each other. And hope everybody can turn out okay from this. It's not something that happens every day. Anyways, good luck wherever you're at. Make sure you stay at home. Don't die. Y'all have a good afternoon and a happy Easter Sunday.